हेलो गाइस, आप लोग कैसे हैं। मैं डॉक्टर पूजा कुशवाहा फिर आपके साथ। जैसा कि फेरी क्वीन आपके यूपीएचएससी एग्ज़ाम सिलेबस में इंक्लूडेड है, तो आज हम लोग ऑब्जेक्टिव देखेंगे जल्दी से। जैसे देखिए, इन हिज वर्क द फेरी क्वीन स्पेंसर यूजेस द आर्केइक लैंग्वेज ऑफ चौसर। आंसर इज चौसर एज अ वे टू पे होमेज टू medieval poet. After Sir Walter Raleigh read through an early draft of The Fairy Queen, Spencer agreed to accompany Raleigh to court, where he was presented to Elizabeth I. At this time, Spencer published three books of The Fairy Queen. Okay, who is the Queen of Fairy in The Fairy Queen? Answer is B. Gloriana. The first book of The Fairy Queen opens with the Red Cross Knight and Anna journeying to Annecy, destroy a dragon, and rescue Anna's parents. In The Fairy Queen, after his failure with the Night Knight, who is Archimago. B. Changes tactics. This time, heavy his evil spirits pose as Anna and a young man in delicate position and summoning the Red Cross Knight to watch. In The Fairy Queen, the Red Cross Knight breaks a branch of the tree and is amazed to see that it bleeds. The tree then tells the story it once. Answer is A. Fraudibio, a knight traveling with his lady Falisa. Who is Sansloy in the Fairy Queen? Answer C. Brother of Sansfoy. In the Fairy Queen, when the lion of nature lord destroys the robber, Spencer is showing how true Christianity will overcome false Catholicism. Answer B. On hearing a story, did Fidisa faint in the Fairy Queen? Answer C is Prodibio. In the Fairy Queen, the lion tears down the door of Abyssa's house and the beast rests comfortably inside it. Here, Abyssa is answer A, deaf and dumb and blind. Abyssa, daughter of Corsia. Deaf and dumb is Abyssa and blind is Corsia. In the Fairy Queen, Lucifera is a character used by Spencer to contrast with Queen Elizabeth. Answer C. In the Fairy Queen, whom does Anna and the dwarf meet on their way to find Orgoglio? Answer D. King Arthur. In Book 1, Canto 10 of the Fairy Queen, who struck the Red Cross Knight in Dispel and the Gospel? Answer D. Fidelia. In Book 1, the Fairy Queen, how did the Red Cross Knight kill the dragon? By stabbing its throat. D. How did Arthur call out to Orgoglio in the Fairy Queen? Answer B. He blew his horn. In Book 1, Canto 10, the Fairy Queen, the Red Cross Knight, learns that his real name is George. And in Book 1, the Fairy Queen, for how many did the Red Cross Knight fight with the dragon? Answer B. 3 times. In Book 1, Canto 10 of the Fairy Queen, who helps the Red Cross Knight to prevent his sins from the leading him once again into deep despondency? Answer A. Sprenja. According to Spencer, Elizabeth was Gloriana in the Fairy Queen. In Book 1, Canto 10 of the Fairy Queen, who teaches the Red Cross Knight of love and righteousness? Answer C. Charissa. Jैसे what is Spencer Epithalamian? Answer D. A wedding hymn. What do you know about Spencer's Amorti? So answer B. A collection of his miscellaneous songs. Spencer wrote a series of sonnets in honor of his wife. Spencer wrote a series of sonnets in the honor of his wife Elizabeth Boyle. What title did he give to his series? Answer B. Amorti. Fairy Queen is allegorized on the name of Queen Elizabeth through the character of Gloriana. Which writer calls Spencer the poet's poet? Okay. And which work of Spencer uses the Spencerian stanza? Fairy Queen. The book of Fairy Queen has how many cantos? 12. Spencer says that in the dedicatory letter, the real starting of allegory in the Fairy Queen is to be found in answer 12. Answer A, book 12. Okay, who says about Fairy Queen, shameless, downright flattery, gross lying flattery of Queen Elizabeth? Name the critic. Dean Church. A moral allegory is written by Spencer in the form of Fairy Queen. From which writer did Spencer adopted the concept of moral allegory? Aristotle. Who said that Spencer with no language? Answer C. Ben Jonson. Why Spencer divided his efforts calendar into 12 eclogues? C. Because there are 12 months in a year. In Spencer dedicated his efforts calendar to whom? Queen Elizabeth. Spencer wrote which of the following poem which is a pastoral, the Shepherd's Calendar. On the death of Sydney, Spencer wrote an elegy named Astrophel. Why did Spencer give that kind of the title? B. Because Sydney wrote a sonnet series under the title Aristophel Estella. What did Prince Arthur symbolize in the Fairy Queen? Answer B. Magnificence. Spencer in the Fairy Queen has been highlighted how many ethical virtues? Answer C. 12. Fairy Queen, to whom did Spencer dedicate this great epic? So, A. To Queen Elizabeth. Spencer write a letter to a friend who may explain the plan and purpose of his Fairy Queen. Answer C. Sir Walter Raleigh. It was planned to be completed in 12 books of Fairy Queen, but Spencer was able to complete only 6 books. Spencer's basic purpose in writing the Fairy Queen was to fashion a gentleman who is virtuous and gentle as disciple. Name the protagonist of the hero Spencer's Fairy Queen. C. King Arthur. King Arthur is a protagonist or a hero. Spencer wrote an elegy on the death of Sydney. Which of the following? Astrophel. Okay. So, what metaphor does Edmund Spencer imply? Fairy Queen book first canto tell to frame his tale and to describe the relationship between the tale and its reader. Answer 3. That of a ship filled with joy mariners. Edmund and Spencer's Epithalamion is a carefully structured poem carrying answer to 365 lines days of the year. In a letter of the authors, Edmund Spencer writes that two characters in Fairy Queen represent Queen Elizabeth. Who are they? Answer first. Answer first, second, third, and fourth is Belphoebe and the Fairy Queen. Edmund and Spencer Collins' Cloud Come Home Again is a fine example of pastoral eclogue. When Pherecydes says, oh, but I fear the fickle freaks of fortune falls and notes of arms in the Fairy Queen book first canto 5, this is a fine example of alliteration. In Fairy Queen, what is Red Cross reward for slaying the dragon? Answer for Anna's hand in marriage and her parents' kingdom. The figure of warrior virgin in Spencer's Fairy Queen is represented by the character Britomart. The Fairy Queen is based on Orlando Furioso. The Red Cross Knight is Spencer's Fairy Queen represent truth. Okay. And in relation to Spencer's Fairy Queen, which of the following character virtue link is rightly matched? C. Courtesy, Calidor, and Temperance, Gyne, and Justice, Artigal. The Fairy Queen is an epic celebration of court. Answer C. First and fourth, Queen Elizabeth and the Protestant faith. In Spencer's Fairy Queen, there are allegorical moral and religious virtues with their counterparts in the vices. Identify the correctly matched set. Answer A. Anna, truth, Gyne, temperance, Dusa, deceit, or Goglio, pride. In a letter of author Edmund Spencer writes that two characters in the Fairy Queen represent Queen Elizabeth. Who are they? Answer first, third, and fourth. Belophi and the Fairy Queen. The right combination according to the code is. In the House of Holiness, in Fairy Queen, Red Cross learns repentance and the way to heaven from Dame Celia and her daughters, who are named. Answer is Fidelia, Sprenja, and Carissa. Who is the main character hero of Spencer's Fairy Queen? So answer is King Arthur. When Sydney passed away, Spencer wrote an elegy on his death, which Amorti. The Fairy Queen is an allegory. In this queen, Elizabeth is allegorized through the character of which of the following? Gloriana. Who says Spencer's poets? Charles Lamb says. Okay. To Spencer dedicate his Fairy Queen to Queen Elizabeth. In which work did Spencer use Spencer in his stanza? Queen Elizabeth is allegorized represented through Gloriana. Prince Arthur in the Fairy Queen symbolizes which of the following? Magnificence. Okay, Spencer's Fairy Queen was planned to be completed in 12 books, but he was complete only 6 books. Spencer's primary purpose or motto in writing the Fairy Queen was to fashion a gentleman or noble person in virtuous gentle discipline. A critic says that Fairy Queen is downright flattery, gross, shameless, lying flattery of Queen Elizabeth. Answer is Fairy Queen. How many cantos are there in book first of the 12? In dedicatory letter, Spencer says that the real beginning of the allegory in the Fairy Queen is to be found in book 12. Who is the critic? Dean Church. The Fairy Queen is basically a moral allegory. From whom did Spencer derive the concept of moral allegory? Aristotle. Spencer wrote no language. Who said? Ben Jonson. To Spencer, write a complimentary letter explaining the plan and purpose of his fairy queen to Sir Walter Raleigh. Spencer's Epithalamion is a wedding hymn. Spencer Amorti is a collection of his love sonnets. Spencer wrote a series of sonnets in the honor of his lady love Elizabeth Boyle, whom he married later. What title did he give to this series? Answer is Amorti. Why did Spencer give the title Astrophel to his elegy written on the death of Sidney? Answer is because Sidney loved Stella under the name of Astrophel. How many ethical virtues have been highlighted by the Spencer in the Fairy Queen? 12. Spencer divided his efforts calendar into 12 eclogue because there are 12 months in a year. To whom does Spencer dedicate his efforts calendar? Sir Philip Sidney. Which poems of Spencer is a pastoral? The Shepherd's Calendar. So I think आपको ये पोएम समझ में आई होगी द फेरी क्वीन, जिसका एमसीक्यू हम लोग कर रहे हैं। इसके लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने इसकी समरी पढ़ाई थी। ठीक है, ये देखिए जो इमेज दिखाई जा रही है कि कैसे अना और रेड क्रॉस नाइट जो है जा रहे थे जंगल में, आप ये देख सकते हैं। ठीक है, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए। थैंक यू सो मच।